Hello, in front of me I've got Nissan Ariya. In this video I'll show you how to change seat position. In the beginning, take a look at the driver's seat. Right here, we've got the seat position panel. Use these buttons to adjust lumbar pressure. Use this button to change back of the seat position. Next, use this button to change distance from the steering wheel and height of the seat. The same panel is located at the passenger seat. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.